The next question is from Rachel McFarlane. And she says, I'm an Aussie organic marketer for small biz and side hustles, focusing on aesthetics and strategy. Do you have any tips for selling both DIY digital products and done-for-you services on the same pages?
What does she do again?
She's an Aussie organic marketer for small business and side hustles, focusing on the aesthetics and strategy.
And so the two things are, one is digital products.
Yeah.
And the other is done for you services.
Yes.
Those don't, what is she saying the problem is? I mean, those are both great. They both seem clear.
It's just, do you have tips for selling them on the same page?
On the same page. Well, I wouldn't have them on the exact same page. I mean, those are different pages. But it just seems like it's one is more expensive and high risk, and the other one's a little, a little more affordable. So then it's just different stages, I would think, that people are at, and different types of people. Different people need different things. So I don't know. Do I have any strategies around that? It just seems like the former is a doorway to the latter. The done for you services will be receiving people who've gone through the DIY materials, the sort of online things. They'll be leading them there. So that's probably not a helpful answer. I just don't see what the problem is. So come back next time, ask the question. I'd be happy to help. I'm just not sure I understand enough to answer.
Okay, thanks, Ted. Rachel, come back. Yeah, try again next time, mid-May.